Hello, my name is Chanhui and I will tell you some disadvantage of this industry. First, let's talk about this industry extruder. So, as you can see, I put some printed part on here because it is uncontrollable extruder. So we cannot adjust this tension of spring. But like it's really titan. It can control with this like screw, so it can turn right and turn left to adjust its tension. But this industry cannot control, so it is uncontrollable. So sometimes without this part I printed, it can press out filament very poorly. Yeah, it can't extrude well. So yeah, it is industry's first disadvantage. Yeah, it is cons. So I printed this part to make more tension on filament, so it can bite this filament more easily. So yeah, first this industry's disadvantage is the uncontrollable extruder. Let's talk about second disadvantage. As you can see, this industry has Bowden and extruder. So extruder is here and hardened is here. Unlike direct extruder, as you can understand, it cannot control retract very well. So it has quite a long Teflon tube. So because of this tube, so when filament retracting, pop out this filament, it cannot retract very well, so it make enormous string, as you can see in this image. So yeah, this industry's second disadvantage is cannot retract very well because of this Bowden type. Let's talk about third disadvantage. So there is sometimes on this x-axis, and also there, as you can see on this y-axis. Wait a minute. There is dust. Yeah, dust. As you can see, there's much dust on here. So after many moving, because of this V-slot roller, here in here, and also has also this troubles on x-axis, but in this y-axis, as you can see, there's dust. Yeah, it is quite interesting, but it has no problem of printing. Yeah, so this third disadvantage is dust. And industry's fourth problem is noise. It is really loud, so I switch it on, and because of this SMPS and this hardened cooler, as you can see, it's quite loud. And even if I turn on this, wait a minute, this blower, it is more noisy, as you can hear. And also if I homing, wait a minute, auto home, it is really noisy. So if you live on apartment or somewhere like that, it is really loud to hear. So first you have to think about this really loud noise of this fan, and first of all, these stepping motors are really noisy now. And that's the fourth problem of this industry. Lastly, fifth problem of this industry is spool holder. As you can see, it is quite small. If I put out this filament, and as you can see, this is quite small. Yeah, quite small. So it is quite smaller than filament. Yeah, like on here. So it is really make large friction on here. So it is if you do not have a really powerful extruder like this, it can't pull this filament very well. It is really hard to pull this filament as if you just pull this filament by your hand. And also the problem of this industry is like this spool holder goes straight ahead, but in this extruder it have to change its direction. Yeah, go down and turn 19 degree, and it pops in, and it goes through this Bowden extruder. So because of this 19 degree, yeah, you have to change direction. This extruder had really hard to draw its filament. Yeah, so this spool holder and filament provide system, yeah, is quite, I don't like this. Yeah, so it's the last problem. And these 5 problem, yeah, 5 disadvantage of this industry. And yeah, that's all, and thanks for watching.